Hello, I have a question for you. Have you ever thought that if you always told the truth, would the majority of your friends stay with you? Um, One day I wanted to get the answer. I wasn't very sure. Will it cause slippery slope, or will I be happy because of my friend's loyalty? Uh, First, I want to say that I do have some do's and don'ts, and always telling the truth is not one of my don'ts. That's reality. I firmly believe that telling a lie can improve the odds of the tough situation. It's a pervasive way. It's debatable, I know, but it's true. I can't lie here. Mm, uh, let's go back to our experiment. I started my experiment with my girlfriend. I fessed up that sometimes her behavior can break my heart, and that was shocking for her because she has never expected such a reaction. First, she went berserk and told me that I'm two-faced person. I can't understand why, but she said. And in her opinion, I always tend to focus on the negativity. After she reacting like that, I decided to break up with her. I was very sad, and I thought that maybe I shouldn't have started this experiment. However, I motivated myself, and I got back on my feet. And then I continued my experiment with my closest friend, Farid. We have been friends for almost 11 years, and we meet, I think, once a week, and we are so close. But sometimes I need to tell a lie to ameliorate the risk of losing him. But upon I began to telling him the truth, unlike my girlfriend, the result was absolutely different. His reaction wasn't offensive as my girlfriend, and that was sufficient for me. I understood that I should always tell the truth. In a nutshell, telling the truth, honesty, doesn't get you a lot of friends, but it gets you true friends, loyal friends. And that's it. Thanks for listening to me. Goodbye.